Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna make a quick and easy simple strawberry cheesecake. So I'm using 2 packs of Miss Birdy biscuit from Purity that I put into a food processor to mince. So now I am adding 2 tablespoons of melted margarine, and then I'm gonna blend the margarine and the biscuit crumbs or minced biscuit, whatever you want to call it, together. So now I am testing the texture to see if it suits me, and it did not, so I am adding 2 more tablespoons of melted margarine, and then I'm gonna blend again, and hopefully this time the texture is okay, and it was okay. So perfect. This is the texture that I'm looking for. I am using a disposable aluminum foil cake pan. So now I am placing the biscuit crumbs into the cake pan to make the cheesecake crust. Place the crust into a preheated oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 8 minutes. Then remove from oven and cool in the fridge for 15 minutes. I am using 2 8-ounce cream cheese softened at room temperature. I am also adding ½ cup of sugar, and then I use a hand mixer to combine the sugar and the cream cheese to a smooth texture. I am using 2 eggs. However, I am adding 1 egg at a time. I am using 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. If you're saying to yourself that I am over mixing the cheesecake, no, I am not. And if you're saying to yourself that the cheesecake mixture is too runny, no, it is not. It is okay, quite fine. I am adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then I'm using a spoon this time just to mix in the vanilla, and that's it. So now I am pouring the filling onto the crust. I am putting the baking tin with the cake mixture into a roasting pan. Then I'm gonna pour some water into the roasting pan and then put into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, the cheesecake is baked because the center jiggle. And I remove it from the oven and from the roasting pan as well. And I am gonna allow it to cool completely. And then I am gonna place it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours into the fridge, the cheesecake is set and well firm. So I remove it from the fridge, and now it is time to remove it from the cake tin. Okay, so for the strawberry sauce, I did not record it. I will record the strawberry sauce recipe in another video. All I did was to place some frozen strawberries into a pot on low heat because I do not have fresh strawberries, so I use frozen strawberries, right? So as I mentioned before, I placed some frozen strawberries into a pot with low heat, and then I added a little bit of sugar and the juice of 1 lime, and then I allow it to simmer until it thickens, and I pour it into a container, allow it to cool, and then place it in the fridge. Now, if you notice, I am not gonna pour the strawberry sauce onto the entire cheesecake. That is because I do not want sauce on the cheesecake. I do not like sauce on anything that is baked. Okay? However, there are people in my house that enjoy the strawberry sauce with the cheesecake. So all they have to do is, when them ready to eat it, them just slice off the amount of cheesecake that them want, and then them pour some of the sauce on the cheesecake and enjoy it because the sauce is in the fridge. It's all about options, right? Everybody is happy. Yeah, man. So my cheesecake is firm. baked perfectly, no cracked. Yeah, man. And as you can see that I bake it in a aluminum foil cake pan. Yeah, and it comes out perfectly. So you can try this recipe. Yeah, man. And if you like this video, if you like what you saw, you can give the video a thumb up. Yeah, man. And when you subscribe to the channel, make sure to click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a video to this channel. Wow, thanks for watching.